Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need two things: a working phone and basic carrier SMS. Start by switching your messaging app to SMS-only mode. This prevents data-heavy RCS or MMS. Once done, clear drafts and disable high-resolution media uploads so messages send as text only. Make sure you have SMS enabled in settings and 3G/4G voice capability. Without it, you may rely on data. Begin composing concise messages under 160 characters to avoid multi-part SMS. Shorter texts send faster and now optimize message content and attachments to keep load minimal. Reduce image size to 0.51 MB or convert to JPEG low quality. Better yet, send links to cloud images so only recipients who want them load data. When sending group messages, use individual SMS instead of group MMS to avoid heavy sync. Once done, toggle background sync off for messaging apps and limit automatic media download to Wi-Fi only. This reduces retries, prevents congested queues, and speeds delivery across mixed networks. Finish by verifying delivery reports and confirming recipients received plain SMS. Ask them to reply with a simple keyword. Once delivery is confirmed, archive or delete message threads to free phone resources and keep the messaging app light. Make sure to schedule any batch sends during off-peak hours to lower carrier load and improve success. Troubleshooting tip: if messages fail, switch to airplane mode for 10 seconds, then re-enable cellular. This forces a fresh network registration and often clears stuck send queues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.